Welcome back to my channel, Mr. English Hub. I'm Alex, and today I'm here with the amazing Emma. Emma, how are you doing today?
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm doing okay, maybe a little stressed, but I'm here and ready.
A little stressed? Same here. I think we all feel stressed sometimes.
Definitely. And that's why today's topic is so helpful. We're talking about how to talk about your stress in English.
This is something people have to express at work, at school, with friends, basically everywhere.
And it's important to know the right phrases so you can communicate clearly and get support when you need it.
Viewers, do you know how to talk about stress in English? If not, don't worry. We'll teach you.
Let's start with simple ways to say you're stressed. I feel stressed. I'm under pressure. I'm overwhelmed. I'm having a tough day.
Repeat after me. I feel stressed.
Repeat, I'm overwhelmed.
Now, let's talk about how much stress you're feeling. I'm a little stressed. I'm pretty stressed. I'm extremely stressed. I'm totally stressed out.
Repeat after me. I'm a little stressed.
Repeat. I'm totally stressed out.
Viewers, which one describes you today?
Here are phrases to explain the reason. I have too much work. I'm dealing with a lot right now. I have a deadline coming up. I didn't sleep well.
Repeat after me. I have too much work.
Repeat. I'm dealing with a lot right now.
More examples. I feel stressed because of exams. I'm worried about something. Things are really busy right now.
Repeat. I'm worried about something.
Stress affects our energy and emotions. Try these. I feel tired. My mind is full. I can't focus. I feel anxious.
Repeat after me. I can't focus.
Repeat. I feel anxious.
And a funny one. Emma, sometimes I feel stressed because my coffee runs out.
That's not stress, Alex. That's just caffeine addiction.
Fair enough.
Here's a simple example. I feel stressed because I have too much work. I can't focus and I need a break.
And another. I'm overwhelmed today. I didn't sleep well and everything feels difficult.
Repeat after me. Everything feels difficult.
Repeat. I need a break. Ask. Emma, what stresses you out the most?
Deadlines. Definitely deadlines. What about you?
Editing videos at 2 a.m.
Viewers, what stresses you out the most? Today we learned basic ways to talk about stress, describe how stressed you are, and explain the reasons.
In Chapter 2, we'll teach you how to talk about stress at work, stress at home, and stress at school.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe.
And comment one thing that stresses you. Welcome back to Chapter 2. In this chapter, we're talking about how to describe stress at work, stress at home, and stress at school.
Yes, these are the most common places where people experience stress, so knowing how to talk about it in English is super useful.
Let's start with work-related stress. I have a lot of deadlines. My workload is heavy. I'm stressed because of my job. There's too much pressure at work.
Repeat after me. My workload is heavy.
Repeat. There's too much pressure at work.
You can also say, I'm behind schedule. I have too many meetings. My boss expects a lot from me. I'm having a stressful day at the office.
Repeat after me. I'm behind schedule.
Repeat, I'm having a stressful day at the office.
Now, let's talk about school stress. I have a lot of homework. I'm stressed about my exams. I have a big test coming up. I'm worried about my grades.
Repeat after me. I'm stressed about my exams.
Repeat, I'm worried about my grades.
Here are more examples. I have too many assignments. I'm struggling with a subject. I feel pressure to do well. I'm tired from studying.
Repeat, I feel pressure to do well.
Repeat, I'm tired from studying.
Home can be stressful too. Try these phrases. There's a lot going on at home. My family situation is stressful. I have many responsibilities. I'm trying to manage everything.
Repeat after me. There's a lot going on at home.
Repeat, I'm trying to manage everything.
And more examples. I'm stressed because my house is a mess. I have too much to do at home. I need more time to rest. I can't relax.
Repeat, I need more time to rest.
Repeat, I can't relax. Here's a simple example for work. I'm stressed at work because I have too many tasks and not enough time.
And for school, I'm stressed about my exam tomorrow. I studied, but I still feel nervous.
And for home, I'm stressed at home because I'm trying to balance everything.
Repeat, I'm trying to balance everything.
Repeat, I still feel nervous.
Emma, what kind of stress do you experience at work?
Mostly deadlines and busy days, and sometimes editing videos with you.
Editing with me is a joy.
Sure, Alex, sure.
Viewers, where do you feel the most stress? Work, school, or home?
Repeat with us. I'm behind schedule. I'm stressed about my exams. I'm trying to manage everything. There's too much pressure.
Repeat, I'm trying to manage everything. There's too much pressure.
Today we learned how to talk about stress at work, school, and home.
In Chapter 3, we'll talk about how to describe your stress symptoms and how stress affects your body and mind.
If you're learning something new, like and subscribe.
And comment what stresses you the most, work, school, or home. Welcome back to Chapter 3. In this chapter, we're talking about stress symptoms, how stress affects your body and your mind.
Yes, these phrases are really helpful for explaining how you feel when stress shows up physically or mentally.
Let's start with physical symptoms. I have a headache. My shoulders feel tight. I feel tired. My stomach hurts.
Repeat after me. My shoulders feel tight.
Repeat, my stomach hurts.
You can also say, I feel tense. I can't sleep well. My heart beats fast. I feel weak.
Repeat after me. I feel tense.
Repeat, I can't sleep well.
Now let's talk about how stress affects the mind. I can't focus. My mind is all over the place. I feel overwhelmed. I feel anxious.
Repeat after me. My mind is all over the place.
Repeat, I feel anxious.
More examples. I feel irritated. I get frustrated easily. I feel worried. I feel emotional.
Repeat. I get frustrated easily.
Repeat. I feel emotional.
Stress sometimes builds up over days or weeks. You can say, I've been feeling stressed lately. This week has been stressful. I haven't felt like myself. I've been carrying a lot.
Repeat after me. I've been feeling stressed lately.
Repeat. This week has been stressful.
Here's a useful example. I've been very stressed lately. I can't focus and my shoulders feel tight.
And another. I feel overwhelmed today. I didn't sleep well and I've been worried all morning.
Repeat after me. I feel overwhelmed today.
Repeat. I didn't sleep well. Alex, what physical symptoms do you feel when you're stressed?
For me, it's tight shoulders and a headache. You?
I can't focus and I feel tired. And sometimes my brain just stops working.
That happens even when you're not stressed, Alex.
Wow. Hurtful.
Viewers, what symptoms do you feel when you're stressed? Repeat these with us. I haven't felt like myself. I feel tense. I'm worried about something. My mind is all over the place.
Repeat. I feel tense. My mind is all over the place.
Today we learned how to describe physical and mental symptoms of stress.
In Chapter 4, we'll talk about how to express stress relief, ways to say how you calm down or relax.
If you're enjoying the lesson, like and subscribe.
And comment, what symptom of stress do you feel the most? Welcome back to Chapter 4. In this chapter, we're talking about how to describe stress relief, the things you do to relax and feel better.
Yes, it's just as important to talk about how you calm down as it is to talk about the stress itself.
Let's start with simple phrases. I try to relax. I take a break. I breathe deeply. I take some time for myself.
Repeat after me. I take a break.
Repeat, I take some time for myself.
Here are everyday things people do to reduce stress. I listen to music. I go for a walk. I watch a movie. I talk to a friend.
Repeat after me. I listen to music.
Repeat. I go for a walk.
More examples. I exercise. I meditate. I take a nap. I drink tea.
Repeat after me. I meditate.
Repeat. I drink tea.
You can describe what works for you. It helps me relax. It calms me down. It clears my mind. It makes me feel better.
Repeat after me. It calms me down.
Repeat. It clears my mind.
Use these phrases when you need time away from stress. I need some fresh air. I need a break from everything. I'm taking a mental break. I need to recharge.
Repeat after me. I need to recharge.
Repeat. I'm taking a mental break.
Here's a simple example. I was stressed, so I went for a walk. It helped me relax.
And another. When I feel overwhelmed, I talk to a friend. It makes me feel better.
Repeat after me. It helped me relax.
Repeat. It makes me feel better. Emma, what do you do when you feel stressed?
I like to listen to soft music and drink tea. It calms me down.
Nice. I usually take a walk or watch something funny.
Laughter is good therapy.
Viewers, what do you do to relax when you're stressed?
Repeat these with us. I take some time for myself. It clears my mind. I need a break from everything. I feel better after resting.
Repeat. It clears my mind. I feel better after resting.
Today we learned how to talk about stress relief, what you do to calm down and feel better.
In Chapter 5, we'll put everything together and teach you how to describe your stress in a full, natural conversation.
If you enjoyed this chapter, like and subscribe.
And comment what helps you relax the most. Welcome to Chapter 5. Today, we're putting everything together so you can talk about your stress clearly and naturally in a full conversation.
Yes, we'll combine causes, symptoms, and stress relief strategies to help you sound confident when explaining how you feel.
Let's start with a simple structure you can follow. What's happening, how you feel, why you feel that way, the symptoms, what you're doing to feel better.
Repeat after me. What, how, why, symptoms, solution.
Repeat. How, why, symptoms, solution.
Here's a full example. I'm feeling stressed today. I have a lot of deadlines and I'm behind schedule. I can't focus and my head hurts. I'm taking breaks and trying to breathe deeply to relax.
Repeat after me. I'm behind schedule.
Repeat, I'm trying to breathe deeply to relax.
Another example. I'm stressed because I have a big exam tomorrow. I've been studying a lot, but I still feel nervous. My mind is all over the place. I'm going to rest and review a little more.
Repeat, I still feel nervous.
Repeat. My mind is all over the place.
And one more. I've been stressed lately because things are busy at home. I have a lot of responsibilities and it's hard to manage everything. I feel tired and tense. I'm spending time alone to relax.
Repeat after me. It's hard to manage everything.
Repeat, I feel tired and tense.
Emma, can you describe a stressful day using everything we learned?
Sure. Here's one. Yesterday I felt overwhelmed. I had too much work and I couldn't focus. My shoulders felt tight and I was tired. So I took a walk and listened to music. It helped me calm down.
That was perfect. Everything was clear and natural.
Thanks. Your turn, Alex.
Okay. Last week was stressful. I had a lot of projects and I felt anxious. I didn't sleep well and I had a headache. I relaxed by taking breaks and talking to a friend.
Viewers, can you describe one stressful day in a few sentences? Try it in the comments. Repeat these with us. I've been stressed lately. I feel overwhelmed. I'm trying to manage everything. I'm doing things to relax.
Repeat. I feel overwhelmed. I'm doing things to relax.
Let's build a final summary together. Repeat after me. I've been feeling stressed, but I understand why. I'm trying to relax, take breaks, and take care of myself.
Now repeat. I'm stressed, but I'm managing it step by step. Today, we put everything together. Causes, symptoms, and solutions. So you can talk about your stress naturally in English.
Remember, stress is normal, but talking about it can help you feel better.
Viewers, what's one thing you do to manage stress? Tell us below.
And if you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Keep practicing and take care of yourself.
See you in the next video.